Struggling with chest congestion? Try this soothing natural remedy that can help clear your airways, reduce inflammation, ease breathing, bringing you much-needed relief. Roast kalonji, black seeds, and in a dry pan until they release a strong aroma. Black seeds clears airways, reduces inflammation, fights infections. Antimicrobial, fights infections that cause congestion. Mucus removal, helps loosen and expel phlegm. Add garlic cloves and black seeds. Garlic breaks down mucus, kills germs, provides soothing relief when applied warm to the chest. Strengthens the body's ability to fight colds and flu. Provides warmth, boosts immunity. Wrap them in a muslin or cotton cloth or new clean socks. And tie it securely. Any cloth, but it must be clean. Rub it gently on your child's chest and back. Extra tip. You can also keep the warm pouch near their pillow to help them inhale the soothing vapors while they sleep.